Ever notice your favorite bag of chips looks smaller? You're not imagining things. Shrinkflation is real. Companies are charging the same price for less product, hoping you won't notice. It's happening to everything: coffee, dinner staples, and more, silently draining your wallet. Today, I bought out entire aisles to show you exactly what's shrinking and what you need to stock up on before it's too late. We'll weigh, measure, and compare side by side, exposing the 7 pantry staples shrinking by 2026. By the end, you'll know which items to grab now before they disappear for good. The ultimate grocery store investigation starts now. First up, coffee. The one thing millions can't live without. We bought every brand in the store, old and new. The difference? Shocking. That classic 16-ounce can? Now it's just 12 ounces for the same price. That's 25% less coffee, but you're paying the same, or more. If you drink a can a week, you're losing 13 cans a year. That's months of coffee, gone. Companies blame rising costs, but it's about protecting profits, quietly giving you less. For preppers, coffee is a morale booster and barter item. Losing a quarter of your supply is a big deal. We stocked a family's pantry with old full-sized cans, enough for 5 years. The lesson: check the net weight. If you see the old size, buy as many as you can. By 2026, a full pound of coffee will be a rare find. Don't let brand loyalty blind you. Be a detective in the coffee aisle. Compare, grab the bigger cans, and don't get tricked. Every ounce counts for your budget and your emergency stash. Shrinkflation is real, and it's coming for your morning routine. Act now or pay more for less later. Let's move to the next staple. Next up, pasta, the ultimate budget meal and prepper staple. We filled a swimming pool with pasta to show how much is disappearing. The standard box was always 16 ounces. Now, many are just 12 ounces. The box looks the same, but it's thinner. 25% less food, same price. You might need 2 boxes to feed the same number of people, wrecking your budget. This isn't just spaghetti, it's every shape, every brand. Over time, you're paying more for air. For preppers, this is critical. 50 boxes used to be 50 pounds. Now it's just 37.5 pounds. That's dozens of meals lost in your emergency supply. The solution: read the net weight, not the box size. Old 16-ounce boxes are still out there. When you find them, stock up. We're restocking a community pantry with full-pound boxes, making sure they get real value. Don't let deceptive packaging fool you. Shrinkflation hits hardest where it matters most: your family's meals. Be vigilant, buy smart, and fight back. Every ounce you save is a meal you keep. Let's see what's next on the chopping block. Stay sharp, this is just the beginning. Breakfast is under attack. Cereal boxes are shrinking fast. We built a fort from every box in the store to show how widespread this is. Boxes look the same, but the net weight keeps dropping. Last year's family size was 19.5 ounces. Now, 18.1 ounces. That's a whole bowl of cereal gone, but the price stays the same, or goes up. For families, that means running out sooner and spending more. Over a year, that's hundreds of dollars lost to shrinkflation. For preppers, less food in your stash means your plan could fall apart faster. We're donating this cereal fort to local breakfast clubs. Kids deserve a real meal. Don't trust family size. Trust the net weight. Always check the numbers in the corner. Every ounce matters for your budget and your pantry. Shrinkflation is everywhere. Don't let it sneak past you. On to the next staple. Cooking oil, used daily but quietly shrinking. The classic 48-ounce bottle, now it's 40 ounces, same price. Bottles are taller and skinnier, with big indents at the bottom, empty space where oil used to be. That's a 16% reduction, and you're paying more per ounce. For preppers, less oil means less energy and fewer calories in your stash. The solution: buy in bulk. Larger jugs at warehouse stores are more stable in size and cheaper per ounce. We're giving away big jugs of oil to families in need. No more tiny bottles, no more rip-offs. Don't get fooled by packaging. Check the fluid ounces. Buy bigger, buy smarter, and protect your food security. Shrinkflation is stealing from your pantry. Fight back with every purchase. Every drop counts. Let's keep going. There's more to uncover. Stay alert and don't let your essentials shrink away. Next up, canned soup. Canned soup, pantry hero, now quietly shrinking. The classic condensed can was 10.75 ounces. Now, 10.5 ounces or less. The cans look identical, but you're getting less with every purchase. Chunky soups are shrinking too, 19 ounces down to 18 or even 18.5. It's a tiny change, but across millions of cans, it's millions in profit for companies. For preppers, every fraction of an ounce matters. Your 30-day supply could be just 28 days. We donated 10,000 full-size cans to a local shelter, maximum value for every meal. Your mission: check the net weight on every can. Don't let subtle changes undermine your food security. Shrinkflation is a slow, silent threat. Don't ignore it. Every ounce lost is a meal lost. Stay vigilant and keep your pantry strong. Next, rice, the world's most important staple. Rice, foundation of food security for billions, now shrinking fast. The classic 5-pound bag? Now it's 4 pounds, same price. That's a 20% price hike hidden in plain sight. For families, that's fewer meals and more frequent trips to the store. For preppers, it throws off your entire storage plan, 20% less food for the same money. Even big bags are shrinking, 20 pounds down to 18, 10 to 8. We bought a literal ton of rice, full 20-pound bags, and are giving them to viewers starting their own pantries. Check the weight on every bag. Don't assume it's the same as last year. Shrinkflation is changing the value of the world's most important food. Don't let it catch you off guard. Stock up while you can still get the real deal. Every pound matters for your family's future. Be proactive, not reactive. The next staple is just as critical. Let's keep going. Peanut butter, protein-packed, delicious, and now sneakily shrinking. The standard jar was 18 ounces. Now, 16 ounces. Same look, less product. The trick: a huge indent at the bottom, hidden by the label and the peanut butter itself. You're losing over 11% per jar. Dozens of sandwiches a year, gone. For preppers, that's a major hit to your calorie and protein reserves. 50 jars used to be 900 ounces. Now it's less than 800. As costs rise, expect even smaller jars and deeper indents by 2026. We bought 1,000 full-size jars for a food bank. Kids deserve the real thing. Your move: pick up the jar, feel the bottom, and check the net weight. Don't fall for the fake bottom trick. Every ounce lost is food you paid for but didn't get. Shrinkflation is a silent heist. Don't be a victim. Compare with old jars in your pantry. Stay sharp and protect your food security. One more thing: you can fight back. Here's how. Coffee, pasta, cereal, oil, soup, rice, peanut butter, all shrinking while prices stay the same. Companies count on you not paying attention, but you have the power to stop it. Ignore flashy marketing. Read the net weight. That's the only truth. Stock up on older, larger packages now. Buy in bulk when you can. Every extra ounce you secure today is money saved tomorrow. Share your shrinkflation stories in the comments. Let's expose this together. The more we talk, the more pressure we put on companies to be honest. Don't let your pantry shrink. Take action now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay vigilant and keep your pantry full.